Open the Menu Pages tab on your left to see all the pages of your site. Here, you can preview all the pages and their structures. To add a page to the mobile menu, just click on the name of the page. It will appear in the drop-down menu. The order in which you click on the pages, it will be the order of the appearances in the menu. If you uncheck a page, you will remove it from the mobile menu. But if you check it again, it will appear as last. To edit the mobile menu, hover over it and click on the pencil icon. To edit the general settings, click on the general icon. Go to Menu. To edit the height of the overall menu, edit in the height area. Click on the first icon to set the sub-item to width. Click on the second icon to collapse the sub-items. And if you want to collapse the items on click on the last icon. Go to Item to set the normal state text color. To edit the hover state text, go to Item and set the color from the color picker. Click on the text icon to set the font. You can choose one of the previously loaded fonts and their styles. Set the size by wish. You can also edit capitalizations of the letters as well as the letters type. As you can see, the selected option is marked with a red border. To unselect, click again on the option. Once you're done, click Done and back. To set the background color of the menu, click on the bucket icon. In the Menu tab, you can set the overall color. Click on the Solid for setting, Solid Color, and choose one from the color picker. Here, you can see the current state of your menu. Go to Item to set the item state background color. As you can see, normal state has different color. Now go to Item to set color for hover state. Click on the gradient and choose colors from the color pickers. Click on the navigation icon in the main bar of the interface to live preview your menu. Click on the bars icon on the left to expand or collapse your menu.